Welcome to Web Technology Lab Exercise 4. So in this exercise, we are going to create a web page using proper HTML5 and CSS3. And in this web page, there will be 7 sections. So these sections will consist of navigation bar, banner, and then some images. So we have to create a web page like this. So in this web page, there should be a navigation bar. So there should be a navigation bar, and when we move our mouse on navigation bar, it should change its color, and we should have some text over here, and this text should be, and there will be 4 div sections, and in next section we should have my family members, and where there will be rounded images, and if we move our mouse there, then it should change the opacity, so it should come dark. Then in next section there should be my favorite section. So in my favorite section we have to create tables. Using table we have to create this my favorite section. So now let's see how we can create a web page like this. So I have created a web page. So in this web page there is a navigation bar. If we move our mouse here, so it will change its color. So we'll see later how it's working. Now in first section, we here we have text. Then we have divided this section in 4 div sections. So in first div section it will display this profile name. Then it will, in second div section there is an image, we have given image. Then in third, here we have given photograph, and in fourth we have given the background image. Then some samples. So here I have given some sample text here I have given. Then the next section I have given 3 images. So if I move my mouse here, so it will change its opacity. So now its opacity is some different value, and if I keep my mouse here, the opacity value will get changed. So later we'll see how it's working. And in my favorite section we have created my favorite food section. So there is 2 things, so name and image, and if we put our mouse here, then its opacity is changing. So we can see how it's worked little bit later. Now let's see how this web page is working. So in this web page I have given a title name. So experiment 4 I have given the title name. Then there are some meta tags. Then link I have given. Now we have used some external CSS. That's why I have given href css4.css. So in body section I have given, in CSS I have external CSS I have used so many IDs, and I have used so many classes. So on that we can give so many values and attributes. So here in navigation, I have used UL tag. UL tag means unordered list. Then under UL tag I have used li tag, li home, then profile, menu item 4. Now in CSS property I've changed the property of UI, then li. So here I have changed the height. I have given background color as per the question in given. Then I've given Z index. So Z index means it will keep the image. It will keep the image above. So suppose there are 2 images, they are clashing. So which image should be above to other image? So if we give higher values in Z index, so that image will be above the image. So in li ui li I have given some different properties. Now if we see this web page, if I keep my mouse here on navigation bar, its color changes. So it's because of hover. So here I have used li hover. So I have changing the background color using hover. So if I keep my mouse there, then the background color will get changed. Okay, so now in div section I have given. So here I have so here we have used. So if we click here, if we keep our mouse here, the opacity is changing. So here in this CSS file I have given the opacity, initial opacity value is 0.7. So if no mouse is there, then the opacity value will be 0.7, but if I keep my mouse there, the opacity will get changed into 0, so the image will get dark. So now the opacity value is 0.7. Now if I keep my mouse here, the opacity value will become 0. So like this we can change this thing. So next, what I have given. So next in another section I have given some images. So here I have given some, actually in first section I have given some text. So in text I have given some profile of, then I have given some name, then I have given some styles, inline styles I have given. Now, and then in next section I have given some images. So here we can see we have given some images source, then we have given some text, and here we have given some images. If we keep our mouse there, then its properties changing. now the next and last section we have created my favorite section using table. So using table we can create this, and if we move our mouse like this, then the opacity will get changed. So here we can see there are two things. So one is text and one is image. So the text is related to image, and whenever we are hovering the mouse on the image, the the value of opacity is changing. So now let's see how we can create this my favorite section. So to create my favorite section, we have to use table. So using table tag, so tr we have used table. Tr means table row, and td inside tr we have used td. Td means table data. So like this, we can create different rows, and on that rows we can add values. Okay. So like that, we have given some values. My favorite food. Then in td we have given some item. Class we have given item name. So in class item name, I have given some different properties like this item name. Then I've given, if I hover on that item, the opacity value is getting changed. So in css file I have given the hover property, so the color will become black. Okay, so like this I have given some property. So in tr, like in tr and td I have given some values like this. Okay, now in CSS, I have used some nth child concept. So what is this? So in TR, if I have given nth child, so here I have here we can see. So here first the color is pink, then the green. So we have given, so for even the value is pink and the odd one is the value is green. So in CSS, how we can give, we can use tr nth child odd. So background color equals to I have given some hexa color value. So hash 990099 some value, suppose it's pink. And for even I have given some value, hexa value, so hash 009900, suppose it's green. So like this we can give, and here we can see there are some round images, no, not round images, round corners. So how we can give round corners? We can give border radius as 25 0 pixels. So it will give us the border like this, so the rounded border. So like this we can create this web page. So now from starting, let's see this page. So here I have given some navigation bar, and then some first section we have given some text where it will tell what the web page is about. Then next section we have given some three images. If we move our mouse on that image, the opacity will get changed. And in next section we have given some my favorite section. So if the same thing will happen, but we have done this through table. So using table we have given, we have nth child. For even we have given pink color. For nth child odd we have given some green color. So like this we can do all these things. So thank you for watching this video.